Hey guys, today we're going to be using alcohol markers, and as you can see, I don't know what I'm doing. I was scribbling, I was scrabbling, like I could not understand how to use these, and on top of that, it was bleeding through the paper. Like, come on, that's wasting paper. And then I tried again, and this one came out a little better. She's a little more shaded, but she's still not quite right. And she's supposed to be black, and she's looking a little, what's that? Like a Pakistani, no offense. But apparently the problem was that I was using watercolor paper. So I saw that you should use cardstock, so that's what I got. Look at that, autumn colors. Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? You ever watch Pocahontas? So these are the markers I used. I got them from Walmart because I'm cheap, duh. And as you can see, like the color does not match. That don't look like the right color to me. So you have to kind of test the color beforehand. And this is gonna be the picture I'm gonna use. Sketching that thing. I'll be back after it's done. So here I am just testing the markers before I start, and off rip, look at that. What is that? That looks worse than the watercolor paper. Like that does not even look remotely better. So I thought I should just trust the process, but the trusting, it wasn't working at all. So in the end, this is what I came up with, and it was bad. So I went right back to my watercolor pad because she was doing me a little bit better. So I thought it was just the technique. So y'all gonna see what I do. And oh my gosh, looky here. It looks way better than that cardstock paper that y'all said to use. Way better. Like, come on, man. That shit look way better. Like, look at that. Look at that. Look at that beautifulness. Like, I could just give it a kiss. Kiss, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, brother. Here I am adding the finishing touches to my little, my little picture. And this is the final result. I hope y'all liked it.